Hi, my name is Elena Morales, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. So first, you need to have a bowl, spoon, sheet cream, glue, and Tide. Now, you need Elmo's glue. You pour it into a bowl. Now, I'm gonna mix. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the shaking cream, and this is gonna be fluffy slime, so I'm gonna just. Okay, that's enough. Now you mix. The Tide, and just put a little bit in here. That's enough. And now you pour a little bit at a time. If you want food coloring, just put it in. So now you see this is gonna be fluffy slime. It's trying to make slime. If it's turning like this, it's working. If you need a little bit more, just add. If you want, you can use your hands to mix. Now, if you want to use your hands, it can be fun, but it's not almost slime. I'm trying to make slime, and it's working. It's coming out. It's coming out. Yeah! I have to try. Give me my hands. Here you go. This is your filthy slime.